series created to raise awareness and support for the nation's sovereignty in our very, very treasured part of the Philippines. I am Felix Neo Toralio, and what a lovely, lovely Sunday morning, and I can feel the spirit and the energy in the crowd as we all prepare to run for a very significant cause, to run for our nation's sovereignty in the West Philippine Sea. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, let us all be proud of us all, because all proceeds of the event will fund the West Philippine Sea Education Campaign. And before we proceed any further, let us all shout together on the top of our lungs, Atin ang West Philippine Sea, at the count of three. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Atin ang West Philippine Sea!
Oh, come on. We can do louder than that. Come on, again. In 3, 2, 1.
Atin ang West Philippine Sea!
That's the energy we want from all of you guys. It is true. Atin ang West Philippine Sea. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, you should all be proud to be here this Sunday morning, and I can definitely feel that you are indeed. And this event is brought to you by our amazing sponsors and partners. Maraming salamat sa Philippine Coast Guard, President's Communications Office, the West Philippine Sea, and PIA. And this event is proudly organized by Ron Rio Incorporated. Everyone, thank you very much for your wonderful support. And don't forget to capture and share your moments using our official hashtags. For sure, you'll be posting photos on your social media accounts. So please use our hashtag or hashtags, hashtag Takbo para sa WPS, hashtag Atinto, and hashtag Ron Rio. And you can also tag our official social media handles. That's at Ron Rio Inc. on Instagram and Ron Rio on Facebook. Are you all guys ready?
Yes!
Handa na ba ang mga Pilipinong tumakbo para lumaban sa West Philippine Sea? Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Alright! And to inspire us all and to give us a message on what it means to fight for our rights at the West Philippine Sea, let us welcome from the Philippine Coast Guard, Commodore J. Tarizela, PCG spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea. A round of applause, everybody.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. On behalf of the National Security Advisor, General Eduardo Año, ang Philippine Coast Guard po, Philippine Information Agency, and the Presidential Communications Office, ay nagpapasalamat po sa inyong lahat sa paanyayaan ng inyong tinugunan. Let me also take this opportunity na humingi po sa inyo ng tulong para sugpuin natin ang nagpapakalat ng fake news regarding sa laban natin sa West Philippine Sea. Pangalawa po, let us remember na ang laban natin sa West Philippine Sea ay para po sa susunod na lahi ng Pilipino. This is our fight for the next generation of Filipinos. Sa mga nagsasabing hindi po natin gayang ipanalo ang laban natin sa West Philippine Sea in our lifetime, let us remember that we are holding the line for the next generation of Filipinos. Secondly, ang pinakamahalagang nais ko pong ibigay na mensahe sa inyo, gusto ko pong maintindihan at malaman ninyo na ang laban ng West Philippine Sea ay hindi lamang laban ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. We are very lucky that we have the President who's standing up now for our sovereignty in the West Philippine Sea. Let us remember na ang laban ng West Philippine Sea ay laban ng lahat ng Pilipino. At ito po ay ginagawa natin para sa susunod na lahi ng Pilipino. At pinakahuling reminder ko po, I think this is also a right opportunity for me to correct yung ating slogan. Lagi kasing sinasabi ng natin na atin ang West Philippine Sea. But let us emphasize, ang yaman ng West Philippine Sea ay para sa Pilipino. I think that's the most important line na kailangan nating maintindihan. Because most Filipinos are asking, ano ang kinalaman nila sa West Philippine Sea? So we need to specify and emphasize na ang pinaglalaban natin ng West Philippine Sea ay para sa kinabukasan natin. At ito ay dahil sa yaman ng West Philippine Sea. So samahan niyo po ako, ulitin natin lahat. Ang laban ng West Philippine Sea ay laban ng bawat Pilipino. At ang yaman ng West Philippine Sea ay para sa Pilipinas. Again, ulitin po natin, no? Ang laban ng West Philippine Sea ay laban ng bawat Pilipino. At ang yaman ng West Philippine Sea ay para sa Pilipino. 1, 2, 3. Ang laban ng West Philippine Sea ay laban ng bawat Pilipino. Ang yaman ng West Philippine Sea ay para sa Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Governor Jay Tariela, our PCG spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, all together, let us repeat this line. I will say sa West Philippine Sea, and you will shout, ang yaman nito ay para sa Pilipino. Alright? In 3, 2, 1, sa West Philippine Sea!
Ang yaman nito ay para sa Pilipino.
Mas malakas pa sa West Philippine Sea!
Ang yaman nito ay para sa Pilipino.
Palakpakan, mga kaibigan! And now back to the race. Keep in mind these reminders to keep a smooth race and enjoyable experience for everyone. Always wear your running shirt or singlet. Just like in other public events, we need to follow proper running attire. Always wear your official race shirt or singlet and keep it on as a sign of respect to other runners. Faster runners stay in front, slower ones at the back. Though some of us run for leisure, meron pong iba na gustong makamit ang kanilang best running time, so it's best to position yourself according to how fast you plan to run. And Run Rio recommends that the slower runners stay at the back of the pack to make way for those who want to cross the finish line at a faster pace. Share the road with other runners. Huwag po nating harangan ng ibang runners na magagaling sa likod. If you need to stop for any reason, please move to the right side of the road and step off the course. So let's respect one another. Alright? Also, lower the volume of your music devices. I know you guys have wonderful and favorite musics to be played in a bit, but please lower the volume of your music devices. This is for your own safety and for the other runners as well. Huwag po nating lakasan ng todo ang ating mga music. Tandaan po natin na hindi tayo mag-isa sa kalsada. At kapag hindi po natin naririnig ang ibang runners o ang mga sasakyan, ay baka po maaksidente tayo. Alert pedestrians when passing through. To avoid bumping into them or knocking them over, signal when passing through. Do not litter. Use the trash bins along the route and be mindful of the environment. Help your fellow runners. Kung may makikita po kayong runner na nangangailangan ng tulong, tumulong po tayo o kaya i-report ang kanyang number sa aid station at tandaan natin ang kilometer marker kung saan ninyo siya nakita. We have medic personnel on all water stations. The emergency hotline is also indicated on all kilometer markers and directional signages. You may also alert the Run Rio marshals so we can call our emergency team immediately. Bilang mga Pilipino, magtulungan po tayo. When reaching the finish line, keep moving forward. We have a lot of runners finishing the race, so keep moving forward until the end of the kuchut para hindi po magkaroon ng jam sa finish line. For everyone's safety, bawal po mag-selfie during the race and kapag kayo po ay nasa finish line. Upon crossing or after crossing the finish line, that's the time you do the selfie. Baka po kasi masagasaan tayo. And be grateful to all our volunteers. A good race will not be possible without the help of our volunteers. Kaya simpleng thank you lang po or gesture of gratitude mula sa inyo ay makakapagpaganda na ng kanilang araw. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's all be ready. For everybody's information, we still have 2 more minutes before the start of the race. Let's all be ready. Let's set our body, our mind, and our heart for this race.
Ayan mga kababayan, magsisimula na nga. Ito yung mga 16 km po. Ano? Ayan, magsisimula na 16 km to mga kababayan.
To all 16K runners, all the best. And we'll see you all in the finish line.